When I was younger, I always thought that I'm the best driver in the whole world. There's no car I cannot ever drive. But then I got introduced to the world of motorsport. I did my racing in the Levitas Cup and I crashed, and I got a hard reality check that driving is actually very hard. So I'm here to explore the hardest form of motorsports, which is rallying, at Chetan Shivram's Rally School here in Pune. So am I the best driver which I think I am, or will I get humbled while driving this car? Let's find out. So step one of learning how to drive a rally car is to go for a track walk. So when we came in initially, we thought it was such a short track, but then we went for the track walk and we realized that there were many corners. So it also has a lot of elevation changes. So I think you guys will see a lot of jumps and everything. I hope I don't crash it, but the track is massive. Right now we are just going on for some test runs so that everyone gets an idea of what our driving skill or our driving levels are, and then we'll work upon it later. So Veer, who is an ex-Formula 4 driver, is out on a hot lap, and let's judge him. So he's really sending the car, a lot of wheel spin, and taking the corners really very fast. And right now I think we'll see a jump. Yes, I think it was a slight little jump, and he's getting to know the track, getting to know the layout of the track, and becoming faster and faster. And I just hope that I keep this thing on the track and I don't do any unnecessary things, because I've done it in the past, but I don't want to repeat any such things.
Now, around the line, oh my god, one car is looking the other way again.
How was your first lap in a rally car?
It was a lot of fun, completely different to anything I've done so far. The car is amazing and I have quite a bit to work on. And let's see how the day goes.
So how is it different from a Formula 4 car?
With the Formula 4 car, it's kind of point and shoot. Every lap you can do the same thing over and over again. Here, it keeps changing. It's different and it's exciting because you don't know what to expect going into a corner, and it's quite nice that way. It's quite fun.
So how did he perform?
You had mentioned about going fast.
Yeah,
I would say no.
I can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm sitting in a rally car and it's going to be my first time in a rally car driving around this beautiful short circuit, and let's see how I perform. Done with my first ever lap driving a rally car, and the steering angle is set at like 1080. It's not that precise, or it's not that short. The steering angle is a lot, so you really have to turn the steering wheel for the car to turn, or I'm doing something wrong, might be. But so much fun driving a rally car on a loose surface, and I get it why people love driving a rally car. Just loved it. Now that we are done with the first rally session, Arvind sir just told us what we were doing was completely wrong, and we went for another track walk, and he has given us some basic guidelines of how to drive a rally car. So if you are interested, let me tell you how to drive a rally car. First of all, you have to ensure that there is maximum traction on all four wheels on a surface where there is no traction. So you have to ensure that you place your car in such a way where there is more traction. Then he told us about the racing lines, which are very different to a Formula car, because we have a ex-Formula 4 driver, Veer Sheth, with us, and he was asking some very insightful questions, and because of him, even I got to know a lot of things about how circuit racing is so different from rallying. And then so this is the first corner, if you can see, and I thought we had to brake for this corner, but apparently you can take it flat out. So that's what we are going to try out in our next session. We are trying to drive the cars flat out and to test the limits of the car. So I have my notes here with this beautiful map. If you can see, this is handmade by me. And yeah, let's see what our next session gives us. So after learning the layout of this track and the basics of how to drive a rally car, I was much more confident in my inputs because in a rally car you don't have a lot of feel, as in a race spec car you have a lot of feel because you are sitting down low to the ground, the seat is talking to you through your bum and everything. So yeah, you have a lot of feel, but in a rally car sadly there's not much feel, so you have to rely on your instincts to know which way the car is pointing. And after driving it for like the 6th time today, I can say that I am a bit more comfortable with this Polo, but still there is a long way to go. And as far as my racing lines are concerned, I think it was much better. The best thing about learning at CSM's Rally School is the professional approach to rally driving. The school is run by Chetan Shivram, a multiple-time rally champion, so it's fair to say he knows a thing or two about going fast on loose surfaces. What really stands out is the focus on seat time. Instead of spending long, boring hours learning from a notebook, you are actually driving, getting feedback, understanding what you're doing wrong, and making corrections on the spot. That hands-on approach makes a huge difference. Whether you are looking to build a career in rallying or simply want to become a faster, more confident driver, CSM's Rally School is definitely worth checking out. You will find all the details in the description below. So this is going to be my final run of day 1, and I've learned a lot since morning. Never ever brake when the steering wheel is turning the other way. Always keep the steering wheel straight, especially in a rally car, and just trust the car and the instincts. Let's go for another run. Just like that, end of day 1, the car is being worked upon, and I can definitely say I'm a better driver than I was yesterday. Driving a rally car is the most fun you can have on any car, period, because the car is constantly sliding. You are trying to make minute corrections, and it's not like driving a race car where you have to be precise and very precise with your throttle inputs and your steering. Here you have to be in sync with your car and trust your instinct. So the most important things I learned today is to trust my instinct, to be brave on the throttle and my corner entries, and also to never ever brake not in a straight line, to always brake in a straight line. So these are the learnings for today, and let's head for tomorrow. I should not have slept so late at night because I was watching Misha Chaudhary ripping around Nürburgring. So we reached here at 7 a.m. The reporting time was 9 a.m. and I've got a punishment to walk in this heat on the track. So I'm going to not only walk in it, I'm also going to analyze all the surface textures and the corners where the plants are, my racing lines, and where to lift off, where to go full throttle. So let's go. Rally driver, WRC champion 3 times. So I'm again going back to my roots because I think sticking to your roots is important. But I was a WRC champion.
क्लच कौन सा है रे अबोय?
Right hand side is the clutch, left hand side is accelerator.
मेरे को ठोकने वाला था तू मेरे को इधर ठोकने वाला था इधर तो डाला ही किधर तो कुछ तो
That
अलग
was my aim, to take out Shresht.
देन करो वीडियो एडिट
Sorry, video edit नहीं हुई. So one thing about rallying is that you also have to repair your car between stages or wherever you get a chance to repair it. And right now the throttle body of our rally spec Polo had some issues, so we are replacing it with a new one. Stuff we see at mechanics happening right here. So, नहीं होता. I didn't do, bro. He was on the lap, bro.
तू चलाया वो बेचारा एक लैप भी नहीं चला
अरे
I agree with like he agrees also
Arey, but in the middle of the lap, bro, the wipers started working, bro, because of my hand. And
Indicator was on.
yeah, indicator was on. My
Right indicator.
bro, it is yeah. And all I could think was about the wipers, bro. I forgot about the corners. I'm like, how to just switch them off.
Oh my god, this is embarrassing.
Yeah. This is embarrassing and all. But then I was like, fuck, bro, I won't think about it.
इंडिकेटर कौन चालू है
I know.
Is this the language that you can use on Instagram or YouTube, wherever this is going?
I was not loud enough, bro.
भावनाओं को समझो शब्दों में क्या
So Aditi is getting out of the car and hopping into a very different car because the white car which we are all used to is under repairs. How was it, Aditi?
Yeah, this has a better grip, but yeah, suspension, because of the suspension you have to be very careful on the braking and the bumps, and literally we could feel the each and every bump, and what we learnt is like why the pace notes are important. Like
Yeah.
you have to be on the right or center. That will definitely help when you have this kind of suspension.
Okay.
So you actually feel everything of it, because the other car which we drove had a very good suspension.
Yes.
So we did not
Feel
care
a lot
about
of bumps and
little
everything.
bumps and
Correct.
all.
This one has a different suspension, as Aditi said. The other one had a Riger suspension, which is like full rally spec suspension, but this one has a stiffer stock suspension. That's what I've been told. So not to go over jumps or not to push anything. So lap 1 I'm just going to adapt to the car, and the next 2 laps will be much faster. Let's go. have an inter-team competition about who is the fastest to change tires, and I think me and Arash are going to win it.
Done?
And
4 minutes, 28 seconds. Hey, give them a hand. That was a good effort, man.
I don't know how to use the jack, bro. Can you teach me? I'll do this. Everything is done. Where is the other tire?
Take your pick, whichever tire.
Bro, you take 2, I'll take 2.
Tighten all 4.
Yeah, all 4, done.
Tight them on, tight them on.
All done.
Done. 3:55. Okay.
What happened?
3 minutes 55.
No, they were saying something.
We can't After this.
So after driving a rally car for the first time, do I still think that I am the best driver in the world and no one is better than me and I can drive any car? The short answer is no, because you need a lot of practice, and motorsports give you that hard reality check that even though you think you might be able to drive any car any way you want, the reality is that you need a lot of practice and a lot of hard work which goes on to driving these rally spec cars. But I had a lot of fun in this rally school. I'm definitely a better driver. I have learned to control the car a lot better, the suspension of the car. I've also learned that rally cars are so much more capable than they look on camera, because when you're driving it, when you have that perspective of a driver, you can really feel it when you throw the car into a corner and it does not topple, it just takes those corners. It's a surreal feeling. But if you don't believe me and you still think you are the best driver in the world, I think you should come to Chetan Shivram's rally school, which was in Pune this year in our state of Maharashtra, where motorsports is very rare to come by. So I definitely would suggest anyone I know who loves cars to just try out driving a rally car. And a massive thank you to Arvind sir, Chetan sir and all the volunteers and the mechanics to help bring this event out in our state, and also to make everything so much easier and simple to understand. Thank you so much. Comment down below if you like this video and stay tuned for more such motorsports content.